In this video, we are going to tell you for creating personal Play Console account. Now let's start. First, we have to search Play Console on Google. Now let's start. Go to my console. Now log in using Google account. Account logged successfully. Now you have to enable two-step verification on your account if it is not enabled, because for creating Play Console you have to enable two-step verification. It's mandatory. On two-step verification. Now two-step verification is on. Now go back to Play Console page, refresh the page. Now set up your developer account, because it is for personal purpose, so you can leave the organization setup. You can select yourself. Yourself section for creating personal Play Console account. First, you have to provide developer name. It must be unique name, because if name available on Play Store, then it will show error. So name must be unique. If your name available, then page redirect into another page. Now link a payment profile to verify your identity. If you already have a payment profile, you can choose it or create a new one. Now add developer email address. It will show on your developer page and your Android apps. Here you can add why you created this Play Console account. If you have other Google accounts, you can select yes or choose no. If you have a website, then you can add or leave that section also. Add here some minor things. Google can contact you. As we take here, contact them. Contact email address. Preferred language. Mobile number as well with country code. Verify mobile number using OTP. Accept terms. Now pay the payment fee of $25. Add card details. Payment is declined by bank because international payment is not activated on my card, so enabling it from internet banking. After enabling international payment from bank, then payment success. And developer account is created successfully. Now it's time to verify your identity by submitting some government approved ID card like driving license, PAN card, passport. I'm selecting PAN card. Now adding photos of PAN card. Now address verification. For address verification, I am uploading Aadhaar card. Now verification is pending, so it will take 1 to 3 days. Now verify you have an Android phone. You can download Play Console app from Play Store, then log in using same email account, so it will be verified that you have Android phone. Now wait for approval. Thank you.